Toy Station. Hi everyone, and welcome to Toy Station. Today, we're going to be looking at a tabletop Space Adventure Pinball machine. Let's check out the features on this machine. Here we have a number 3. That's for the amount of turns that you have during one gameplay. And you have your steel ball. If you go off to the sides of the machine, there's buttons. Now those buttons operate the flippers used to strike the steel ball. Now here you have a pullback button to put your steel ball in place and the second button for launching. On the back side of the machine, we have the on and off switch, which then turns on the sounds and the lights on the machine. Woo! Gotta love that 80s music. And here's a button to reset the scoreboard. As you can see, this tabletop pinball machine has arcade sound effects, it has electronic lights, electronic digital scoring, and pinball action. Now that we've covered all the features, let's give it a go! Ooh, here we go. Yeah! Nice light up. Woo! Still in the game. Still in the game. Woohoo! Oh! Alright, let's try again. Come on. Alright, let's do this. Yeah! Woohoo! Here we go, baby. Still in the game. Oh! Alright. Let's go again. And action! Here we go. Come on, come on, come on! Woo! Ah! Alright. This stuff is addicting. Woohoo! Yeah! Still in the game, baby! Let's do this! I'm getting a lot of that light up action here. Look at me go! A lot of light up action. Nice. Ah! Oh my gosh. I gotta do this again. Here we go. Yeah. Look at me go. Ah! Ah! Down the drain. Okay. Let's try again. Try. I say it's the last try, but it's probably not. I'm too addicted. Oh. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. All right. Light up. Ah. Me. That's okay. Go again. Got the light up action. Oh, that didn't last very long at all. All right. This is way too addicting. Here we go. Light up action, extra points. Woohoo! Here I go, here I go. Oh, that was awesome, guys. What an addicting game. Here I am with my 660 points. Whatever. And there you have it, guys. Space Adventure Pinball Machine. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe as well. Be sure to tune in for even more super fun toy videos here at Toy Station. Bye-bye for now.